I'm back to working on this aerator here. I bought these right here. These are the plug rejectors. They go right here. So that originally looked like this. So that's a pretty big difference there. So I should be able to just put this back in here. And then these are the tines here. I do want to get some new tines for this. I don't know if I should go with the solid or the hollow. I think I'm just going to keep the solid on there for now, but this one's all bent. So I want to get some new ones. So you can see there's 4 of them. There's 12 tines, which is really nice. This thing's going to kick some major butt. So that one's broken, and this one's broken, and this one is broken. And then this one's cracked, so I probably will just replace that as well. So these things were not cheap. I think these are like 75 bucks a piece for this right here. This one looks to be okay, decent. Maybe not the best, but let's see how cracked it is when we pull it out of here. So yeah, see how cracked that is? I was considering keeping that like that, and it's probably would have still worked, but bought a new one. I'd like to possibly try firing this thing today. It's pretty well ready to go. Okay. See this little lip right here? So this just slides in there like that. These other ones seem to be okay. That one, you can see it looks like something familiar. Bent. I'm not sure what I'm going to replace these with, but they did give me a grab bag of extra tines and parts that came with the aerator. It's been outside in the weather. These are very interesting little suckers. See that? Totally dead. So I was wanting to take all of this apart so I could clean it all up. And you can see the chain's all dirty and greasy. Everything's just dirty. This machine's like 20 years old, so it's dirty. It needs some love. But the last thing I did was I cleaned the carb out and I drained the engine oil. So all it needs is engine oil, and then I should be able to try firing it. There's no gas in the tank there. This was a big fat mess. I ended up cleaning that up, and this right here. So this is supposed to go over onto this thing and sit like that. See that? And then this is supposed to be some magneto thing right there that holds it up. And then, so you want to go like this, it holds this lever down. Here's the old engine oil right here, and there is roughly 36 ounces in there. The only oil I've got kicking around here is this 10W40. I'm pretty sure the manual calls for 1030. This will be fine. This is a pretty big engine here. It's a twin cylinder, 16 horsepower. So let's see here. Put that in there, all the way down, pull it out. Ooh, it's right at the full line. It's over the full hash mark. So I think that's probably pretty good. I think that the manual said it holds like 40 ounces or something like that. So this is a very, very heavy machine. Very heavy. So now I know it's not going to damage my concrete when I turn this thing on. Hook up this ground right there. All right, so let's give this sucker a whirl. Oh, gotta turn it the throttle up. That would be helpful. So this was all messed up like this. So the choke was all sticky, so that's full choke on, throttle up, and the key. Oh, there's no gas in it. The Sheer can is the best gas can. I sell those on my website. They are the absolute best gas cans. These are probably second. I have not tried the Eagle can. I would like to try the Eagle can. But for the plastic cans, in my opinion, the Sheer can's the best. I should probably open up the garage door, but I'm only gonna have it on for just a minute. Gotta get some of the gas up into the carb. Oh, it felt like it was about ready to go. Oh, almost had it there. I took the choke off too early. So I don't know what's going on there. It doesn't want to run unless it's half choke. No way, it has to have a battery connection? That's crazy. Unhook the battery and it dies. What if you don't want a battery? Lots of machines will run without batteries. So see that right there? Look, it's got a hydraulic, it's got an electronic solenoid right there. And when you hit this button up on the thing, it holds that down. Okay, so something's up with that. So putting that all the way down right there, that's gonna really dig deep. Man, that's exciting. I had a little bit of something's going on with this. Maybe it needs some resistance or something for it to work, I don't know, but it seems to be working okay. I think I'm gonna put the tires on, and I was wanting to try it on the lawn, but the lawn is full of snow now, so that isn't good, and she's frozen. So now why aren't we starting? Alright, so now it doesn't start, period. So there's got to be some safety switch that's causing that to not go. And it's probably because the tines are down. I don't know why that would be a problem, but the tines are down. And it doesn't want to go. That right there, that's it. Right there. So see that? If I push that down, I guarantee it'll start. Okay, it's not that. It's probably something else. Another safety switch somewhere. So those safety switches, they're a blessing and a curse all in disguise. I'd say it's pretty well good to go. I just need to figure out why it won't go for the time being. It's just a safety switch that I need to figure out. It's all the way down, it needs to come up, and that's the reason. So I'm ready to put this back on there. This is the carb right here. This should go here like that. There, it's on. So I do plan to get a new filter and filter housing, or this filter screen right here. I'm going to buy a new one of those. Just don't have it yet. It's right here, like this. So this thing should fire up and go. It does have to have a battery in order to run. And I got to get a new battery cable. It's not going to be long enough with the current battery setup that I have. So got gas in it, fresh oil change. Let's put the cover on. The tires are gonna need just a little bit of air. So this is the only setup that is not gonna work. This battery setup right here. So this battery wants the negative on this side and the positive on this side via this wire. And it's not, this battery is not set up that way. I'm just gonna hook this up like this, and I'm gonna get longer leads. And this over to here like that. Put that right there, just for the time being. Hold it there just for a second. Put some air in here. And I don't know what these should be at. I'm assuming around 10 or something. 8.5. I'm gonna try to get this thing put into the shed. This thing is not very easy to steer and get in and out of here. Can't get it through the snow, so I gotta go the long way around. Now that I've got that finally in here, I can organize all this stuff here, put it in the corner, and then I can bring in my trim. I need to stain some more boards to finish the outside of my shed. Got the door in, I need to just do a little bit more of trim work, put a barn door on, and then it'll be done for the outside. But so battery cables and tines, and I think that's it. A new filter. New air filter, and then I'll just sit in here for a while. I will clean up all this stuff, put all of my equipment over to this side, get the mower out of here, and put that away for storage. Need to finish putting all this insulation up in the ceiling. See what will be 54 degrees in here. That's nice. It's like negative out there, probably 10 degrees or something like that. So it's like roughly 24 degrees outside, so maybe not quite 10, but and it's 54 degrees in here now, and that's with having that door open for quite some time right there. Several minutes. It's nice to have that in here, get it cleaned up, fix up the rest of this stuff, get some of this stuff out of here, and or make a place for it all, and then I can be on my way to doing the rest of the stuff that I need to do, like the siding. I need to paint some more wood for the exterior siding, and I need to put that up. I need to make my barn door, and then that's it. And then I'm pretty well done on the outside. What I'm gonna do on the inside, I don't know. That's gonna pretty well do it for this video. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.